Hey everyone, welcome back to the Python chatbot series. In this part 3, we are going to make our chatbot more fun and realistic by giving it randomized response. This is a great way to make your bot feel less robotic and more human. So let's dive into it. And hey, if you're enjoying this series, consider supporting me through buying me a coffee. I will provide the link in the description so you can check it out later. In this video, we are going to learn how to use random.choice function from random module, which is pre-built in Python. Return different replies for the same input. Keep the code clean and scalable. So this is the new file which I have created as PyBot part 3. First, we are going to import Python's built-in random module. Then we are going to give a welcome message as well as how to exit the program using the exit command. Next, we are going to add a dictionaries with keys as user input. These are the things like hi, hello, and values as lists of possible responses. And rest is similar to what we did in the part 2. We are going to use the while loop for continuous chatting, and we are going to take the user input and we are going to convert it into lowercase, and we are going to strip off any white spaces left. And if the user types exit, we are gonna print a statement telling chat ended, see you soon, and we are gonna break the loop. And if the user enters whatever is in the key in the responses, we are gonna provide the randomized choice within the list present here. If the user provides something other than whatever is present inside the response or exit, we are going to give a default message saying, I am not sure how to respond to that. So that's it. Let's try it out. If I type hi, first it's gonna give greetings. It's taken from the random. Next, if I type it again as I, sure. See, it's gonna give hi. Now if I type something else, bye, goodbye, have a nice day. So this will look like you are interacting with a human instead of a bot. So that's it. Now if I type exit, it's gonna end the loop saying chat ended, see you soon. Now we just added some life into our bot using random replies. In the next part, we are gonna log our conversation into a text file, super useful for keeping chat history. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to check the source code and support links below.